How to save a project in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, go to the Studio tab at the bottom and select the project or video you are working on. Tap on the Edit button to access your editing tools. Once you have made your changes or edits, look for the Save option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping Save will ensure that all your edits are stored safely within the app. You can also revisit and continue editing your saved projects anytime from the Studio tab. Make sure to save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. Now you know how to save a project in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.